If you have decided to buy a home without a realtor and you're a little unsure of all of the legal documents that you're going to come up against, well, stay tuned because I'm going to cover a lot of the legal documents that you will run into if you are purchasing your home on your own. Hello again, this is Connie, the owner of Buy Without Realtor, guiding you with the knowledge and tools to confidently buy your own home on your own. Today we're going to be talking about the legal aspects of buying a home on your own, and not so much the aspects. I'm going to be talking about some of the legal documents that you're going to be coming across when you buy your own home. And please know, I am not an attorney. I don't want any comments down below saying, oh my God, who are you to give legal advice? I am not giving legal advice. So I am just informing you of the legal documents that you are going to be coming up against that perhaps you can take to an attorney or a paralegal for additional information. So if that's okay with you, then let's get started. So the very first legal document that you're going to come up against is the purchase and sale agreement. And that is a legal document because you are telling the seller of that home that you have every intention of buying that home. And because you do that, you are going to actually put down earnest money that is going to let the seller know in earnest, you're planning to purchase this home. So that's the first legal document that you're going to run up against that is very important to know and to understand. And if you have any questions about that purchase and sale agreement, then that is something that you can speak to a paralegal or a real estate attorney about. Now, the next legal documents that you're going to come up against is the mortgage documents. And I'm not talking about the application or the disclosures that you will need to sign with your mortgage broker. No, these I'm talking about is the deed of trust, the mortgage or the promissory note, as well as loan estimates and also the closing disclosure. So the actual deed of trust or trust deed is a document that is going to be recorded, and that is going to show who is the owner of the property, which will be you when you close on the transaction. Now, also a part of the mortgage documents that you're going to need to sign at closing is the promissory note. And that promissory note is your promising to pay the actual loan that the lender is giving you on your home. And what's included on that promissory note is how much you're borrowing, as well as the interest rate, the term, your monthly payments, and when your note becomes due. So that promissory note is going to be a part of your closing package when you go to close your home. So just so that you're aware that you're going to have that legal document as a part of your package. Now, prior to getting to all of the actual closing documents, your mortgage broker is going to be giving you a loan estimate. And that loan estimate is going to show all of the cost that you're going to have to pay in order to close the loan. In addition, it's going to show you your monthly payment, how much down payment, and all of the fees and your term and what kind of loan that you're getting as well. So that's something that you will get prior to closing. Now, you're also going to get a closing disclosure, and that's the document that is going to give you your final numbers when you get ready to close. That closing disclosure must be very accurate. because that's what you're going to go off of, as well as the escrow officer. That's what they're going to go off of when they close your loan. And in order to tell you how much money you need to bring to closing, that document is going to outline all of that information. So it'll have the final numbers of your title insurance, your escrow, it'll have your final mortgage payment, what's your final interest rate, and your also the loan amount that you're going to be promising to pay. So the closing disclosure is another document, another legal document that you will receive just prior to closing. And with that closing disclosure, if you have any questions about anything at all, you have got to discuss that with your mortgage broker prior to even going to the closing table. Make sure you have all of your questions answered so that once you're at the table, you're ready to sign. Hi there, I'm Connie Mackey. And if you are navigating this home buying process all by yourself, I got you covered. And even if you just have general real estate questions, or you need to brainstorm ideas, or just ask a question, no matter how crazy it is, I got you. Book a one-on-one consulting session on my website. The first 10 minutes are free, so why not give it a try? Allow me to help you with any real estate questions that you have, and to make this home buying journey as stress-free as possible. The next legal document that's so important to know about is the title report. And that is a report that comes from the title company, and they will, as you have decided to, your offer has been accepted, you're going to buy this home, they are going to do a search on any other owners that have laid claim to this particular home, or if there are any taxes that are due, or if there are any liens that are against this property. So they will send you, prior to closing, a copy of your title report. And it is so important for you to take a look at it. And please, if you have any questions, then you can give me a call. The first 10 minutes are free, just to kind of discuss what's in this title report, because I will be able to help you. But it should tell you how much your taxes are on a yearly basis and who the actual owner is. Make sure that you're buying the home from the actual owner of the property. So a title report is so important to receive and to understand what it is and what you're looking at. Now, the next document, and this should have been a document that I started off with, is the seller's disclosure. And in my other videos, I've talked about a seller's disclosure and what that is, but I'll go over it briefly here. The seller's disclosure is a document where the seller will disclose everything that is right and wrong, to their knowledge, about the property. And this is, if you've seen my other videos, then you'll know that this is a document you should have received before you placed an offer on the house. So that seller's disclosure is so important to review, because it's going to help you with your offer. Plus, it's going to help when you go to your home inspection as well, because based on what the seller has disclosed, that's something that you can also look for as you're going through the home inspection with your home inspector. So a seller's disclosure is another legal document that's very important to understand and to have in your possession. Okay, so now I need to wrap all of this up, because I think I may have touched on most of the legal documents that you may come up against. And I want to reiterate again that I am not an attorney and I am not giving legal advice. But I do want to make you aware of the type of documents that you're going to come up against, because you are buying your home on your own without a realtor. So when you go to closing, that's when you will sign the promissory note and sign the deed of trust, as well as all of the other lender documents that go along with your loan package. And if you have any questions at all about what it is you are signing, ask it at the closing. And hopefully your mortgage broker will be with you at the closing to answer any questions that you have as well. But please do not sign anything that you do not understand or that has not been explained to you, whereas you do have a good understanding of what it is you're signing. So in conclusion, if you're just looking for a couple of quick questions, or if you need a little bit longer, just a little bit more in depth on what it is you're signing or just this whole process, then please check the link in my description for the one-on-one consultation that I offer. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more videos just like this that will help you buy your home without a realtor and teach you how to be your own realtor. And remember, with a little bit of confidence and some knowledge, you too will be able to buy your own home on your own with Buy Without Realtor. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.